Global Empire event of Business Nation TV is organizing Ek Nari Sau Pe Bhari and Leaders of Bharat. Firstly, introduce your good self.
Yeah, my name is Shoma Chakraborty. I'm landing from City of Joy, Kolkata, and I'm a managing director cum founder Gooddays Hospital, which is located in Kolkata.
So, what's your significant achievement?
My significant, actually, if you are talking about my significant, I always believe that if you are a generous giver, God will back you as a generous receiver. And don't fear for anything. Do whatever you wanted to do from your heart, from your mind, and go ahead with this.
So, how do you feel after receiving this award?
Yeah, I'm very much excited, and seriously, I would like to thank Global Empire and Biz Nation TV for this opportunity. And we have got the chances to meet with extraordinary personality. And congratulations all the awardee over here who brought the changes in society.
To whom you would like to dedicate this award?
Yeah, I have if you are talking about my blessing list are quite long. So, but I would love to take all the names who are very close to my heart. Just one by one, I am taking the name. First of all, I would like to thank to my ma, who are making me strong woman, like which I'm standing in front of you. My daughter, who has sacrificed lots for child, all the childhood she has sacrificed lots, and for my career. And yes, my husband, who always stand beside with me and during any kind of situations, and my all the employees, all the colleagues of the hospital, their dedications and their commitment, unwavering commitment, given me lots and made me today who am I.
Thank you so much for talking. So, firstly, introduce your good self and how do you feel after receiving this?
Of course, I feel elated, I feel very proud, and I feel grateful. So, my name is Ruchi Lahoti. I am a etiquettes and soft skills consultant. I run a luxury finishing school, and I run it out of Pune, Bombay, and Delhi. And I help people believe and move forward from being ordinary to extraordinary.
What's a significant achievement?
Developing people, when I see the transition happening and I started as young as 6 years old. So we have a special program for children called Kids Etiquettes, and we start at 6 years old. We also have a program for young adults, which is for teenagers, and then I do a lot of institutional and schools training, and I also do a lot of corporate trainings for professionals. So when I see the transformation of people, it is so enriching and it is so inspiring. And I believe in today's modern world, when everything is being taken over by AI, soft skills is something that can never be replaced by AI, and we really need to develop that in every individual.
To whom you would like to dedicate this award?
To my sister, to my husband, to my kids, and I think to everybody who has a self-realization that they need to improve, that they need to enhance their personality, that they need to develop. So every individual who has the hunger to make a better version of himself or herself, I would like to dedicate this award to each one of them.
Thank you so much.
My name is Sangeeta Jolly, an English educator from Directorate of Education, Delhi. I have already received so many awards and attended so many conferences in English languages, or I have participated in so many conferences all over the India and international conferences also. And I dedicate this my award to whole community of Directorate of Education and my parents, my brother, my sister, my mother, father, and my whole family of my students also, and my guru and my mentor also. And मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे सारे बच्चे आगे बढ़ें, पूरे देश में पूरा नाम रोशन करें. वो आज के बच्चे हैं, वो हमारे इंडियन ट्रेडिशन और वैल्यूज़ को भी आगे बढ़ाते हुए और नई टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ AI, ChatGPT एंड अदर्स जो भी न्यू इनोवेशंस हैं, they have to be participate on that and all over the world, और पूरे वर्ल्ड में अपना नाम रोशन करें और कैरियर को आगे बढ़ाते हुए भारत का नाम और हमारे इंडिया का नाम पूरा रोशन करें. बस मेरी यही एक तमन्ना है. और मैं इस फील्ड में बचपन से ही हूँ, और मैं खुद एक ऐसे स्कूल से पढ़ी हूँ जहाँ स्पेशल विद चाइल्ड नीड्स, एंड देन मैंने अपने आप को यहाँ तक लाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है और मैं आज यहाँ पे जो भी खड़ी हूँ सिर्फ मैं अपने पेरेंट्स जिन्होंने मुझे बनाया और मैं यहाँ पे उन्हीं की वजह से हूँ. और इट्स रियली ऑनर फॉर मी टू इनवाइट मी हियर टू दिस इवेंट एंड गेट दिस अवार्ड. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि आप आइए, मैं फिर भी अपना टाइम निकाल के आई, मुझे जैसे भी करना पड़ा. आई रियली encourage and motivate my whole community of education for my all students कि they can begin their career with here and touch all the world in the society. And that's it.
Thank you for talking today. Thank you.
Okay. Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Rashmi Kashyap. I am Mrs. Vogue Star India 2024. Spent good amount of time in education field as an educator and principal. I'm a speaker and also a strong contender for the women empowerment, where I feel that I should do the work which should inspire other women. And presently I am a brand promoter and strategist in fashion and lifestyle industry.
What's your significant achievement?
My significant achievement would be, well, winning a beauty pageant at 50, when women are thinking to retire and enjoy the free time. That was the time when I thought out of the box I should do something, and I challenged myself to win that title. And thankfully, by God's grace and with the support of my mentors, I could do it.
How do you feel after receiving this gracious occasion?
Yes, I'm feeling elated. Here I came as speaker because I want to convey this message using this prestigious platform, Ek Nari Sab Par Bhari, that age is no bar. You can achieve anything in life if you have the correct intent and dedication. I could do it at 50, then my dear friends, you all can change your life and do something which could inspire many millions of women out there.
Thank you so much for talking today.
Thank you.
जी, मेरा नाम शिल्पा तिवारी है, मैं लखनऊ यूपी से हूँ. आई एम बॉर्न एट वोटापिन मुंबई और मेरी प्राइमरी एजुकेशन वहीं पर हुई है. देन फर्दर अलग अलग यूनिवर्सिटी से मैंने डिग्री ली है, लाइक साइंस में, एजुकेशन में एंड लॉ में. आई एम एडवोकेट इन इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट. इसके अलावा मैं पिछले 15 साल से आई एम द फाउंडर, चीफ फंक्शनरी एंड सेक्रेटरी इन आस्था सेवा समिति. हम लोग स्किल डेवलपमेंट में और स्पेशली पुअर वुमेंस के लिए और लखनऊ चिकनकारी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं.
कैसा लग रहा है इस अवार्ड को लेने के?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इसके पहले भी हमें 2 बार अवार्ड मिल चुके हैं. एक बार दिल्ली मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन की तरफ से एंड सेक्टर स्किल काउंसिल एपोलो की तरफ से भी हमें इसके लिए रिकमेंडेशन में दिया गया है. दूरदर्शन पे हमारा एपिसोड भी चला था. तो हमारे जो वुमेंस हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छा काम कर रही हैं और एक NGO, एक ग्रुप से बिलोंग करते हैं. तो काफ़ी अच्छा हमारी बैकिंग है. पूरी एक टीम हमारे साथ में काम करती है, नॉट स्पेशली मी. आई थैंक्स टू माई होल टीम, ऑल द टीम फॉर गेटिंग दिस अवार्ड.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.
Hi, this is Sadhna. I'm a spiritual coach, a healer, and Akashic reader. I do Akashic tarot reading also, and I would like to thank BizNation and Global Empire event for recognizing my work and providing this wonderful opportunity to be here. And thank you so much. And I would like to dedicate this award to my sons Krishang and Krishna. This is for you. This is just to motivate you that you can do anything at any point of life. Thank you so much.
Hello and namaste to all the audience of Ek Nari Sab Par Bhari Chapter 11. It was a pleasure coming here. I am Sonia Manza from Yatri Sense YouTube channel. I'm a founder of Yatri Sense and I travel to across India. Right now traveling India because India have got potential, culture, and most of that Atithi Dev Bhava ka sar.
So, what's the significant achievement?
My significant achievement is that, I realize that, everyone around here, everybody wants to teach and सिखाना चाहते हैं दुनिया को. But I thought, I want to learn people. I want to learn and understand the world. And that is the biggest achievement, that kind of feeling I got it in me. And that gave me strength to travel and explore and meet lovely people of India. It's Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. I got a lot of love from people of India.
Thank you so much for
Thank
talking
you.
to me.
Thank you.
My name is Poonam Bali and I am from Saharanpur. I am running Muskan Luxury Salon and I am feeling so proud and happy to receive this award from Global Empire Events and as a outstanding makeup artist and blindfolding national record holder in hair cutting. And thank to Mata Rani who bless me always and really and I dedicate to this award to my husband who is 200% supporting to me and my family and my clients who confident to me.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much जी।
जी सर, मेरा नाम राघव शुक्ला है और मैं कानपुर उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ और मैं मैनेजर के तौर पे श्री राघव गोवर्धन गौशाला समिति संस्थान का संचालन करता हूँ, जहाँ पे 1000+ ब्लाइंड इंजर्ड एनिमल्स का ट्रीटमेंट और उनका संरक्षण सेवा भाव से, मातृत्व सेवा भाव से किया जाता है।
बहुत खूब। कैसा लग रहा है इस अवार्ड को लेने के बाद?
जी बहुत अच्छा गुड फील हो रहा है सर और मैं इस पूरी टीम का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा जिन्होंने हमें इस अवार्ड के लिए सेलेक्ट किया।
सो अगर मैं अंत में पूछना चाहूँ कि आप ये किसको डेडिकेट करना चाहेंगे?
जी ये सर हमारी गौ माता जो जन्म से ही हम गौ सेवा में तत्पर हैं सर और 1000+ गौ माताओं की सेवा कर पा रहे हैं। हम प्रभु का बहुत ही धन्यवाद करते हैं जिन्होंने हमें गौ माता जिनकी सेवा स्वयं नारायण ने की, उनकी सेवा हमें मिली हुई है सर। और इस सेवा के साथ साथ सर हम युवाओं को जागृत करने का भी कार्य करते हैं। सोशल मीडिया पर सर हमारे 1 मिलियन+ फॉलोवर्स हैं सर, जिसमें हम युवा पीढ़ी को जागृत करने का प्रयास करते हैं क्योंकि आज की जो पीढ़ी है सर उसका मुख्य धारणा ये है शिक्षा, जबकि सर मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि शिक्षा से प्रथम संस्कार आवश्यक है, शिक्षा द्वितीय है।
बिल्कुल, आपके बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है कि आपको गौ माता की सेवा करने का अवसर प्राप्त हो रहा है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much. My name is Smita Mehta. I am the founder of Book Einstein and it's an immense pleasure to receive this award. So today it's been a wonderful event and I think all the awardees are very very happy getting this award.
So what's your significant achievement and to whom you would like to dedicate?
Let me tell you a little more about Book Einstein. So Book Einstein is an educational company. We work with all schools all across India in developing communication training. So when I say communication training, we work around public speaking, critical reading, creative writing strategies, both for students and provide training to teachers. So today the significance, the award I got was for leadership, and we've been working with a lot of schools all across India, all ICSE, CBSE as well as IB schools.